Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best gifts and gadgets. In today's review, we have something truly special for all the fathers out there. If you're looking for the perfect gift for dad, look no further. This wooden cutting board utensils set with apron is one of the best gift ideas for Father's Day, birthdays, or even Christmas. And if you've been wondering about a sleep-friendly, easy gift that brings a sense of comfort and practicality, then this gift is definitely the best sleep mantra for dad. This beautifully crafted set comes with everything dad could need in the kitchen. Imagine him enjoying a relaxing cooking session, using a gorgeous wooden cutting board, complete with essential kitchen tools and a custom-designed apron. The set includes 4 high-quality wooden utensils: a cutting board, a soup spoon, a slotted spoon, and a spatula. All of them are made from 100% wood, which is water-resistant and fast-drying, perfect for both practical use and elegant presentation. The cutting board itself stands out with a unique heart-shaped cutout design, which makes it easy to hang when not in use. The dual functionality is truly brilliant. One side of the board works as a decorative serving tray, perfect for presenting cakes, fruits, desserts, or steaks. Flip it over, and the other side becomes a sturdy cutting surface for all of dad's kitchen tasks. Whether he's grilling, chopping, or serving, this cutting board meets all his needs in one. But that's not all. This set also includes a stylish black apron, designed exclusively for the occasion. The apron isn't just a practical kitchen tool, it's also a conversation starter. Featuring warm, heartwarming messages like, "World's Best Dad, Chef Dad," and "Best Grilling Dad Ever," it adds that extra personal touch that makes this gift even more special. The apron is waterproof and comes with an adjustable neck strap for maximum comfort, ensuring dad enjoys his time in the kitchen. Whether it's Father's Day, his birthday, or a special celebration like Thanksgiving or Christmas, this set makes the perfect gift for any dad who enjoys spending time in the kitchen. The combination of beauty, practicality, and personal touch ensures that this gift will not only be used daily but also serve as a cherished reminder of your love and appreciation. This wooden cutting board utensils set with apron is not just about cooking, it's about making dad feel loved and appreciated in a way that's both practical and sentimental. So if you're looking for a thoughtful and unique gift that will brighten up his kitchen and make cooking more fun, this is the one. That's it for today's review from Product Critique. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts. Until next time, happy gifting!